If you ever try to take a screenshot on your iPad and weren't sure how to do it, this video will show you the easiest way. Hey everyone, this is Abdul, welcome back. Let's keep this simple. If your iPad does not have a home button, press the top button and the volume up button together. Again, just a quick press, don't hold it. You'll see the screen flash and your screenshot is saved. If your iPad has a home button, all you need to do is press the top button and the home button at the same time. Just press and release quickly. Your screen will flash and that means the screenshot has been taken. Right after you take a screenshot, you'll see a small preview in the bottom corner. If you tap on it, you can edit, crop or draw on your screenshot. If you ignore it, it will automatically save to your Photos app. To find your screenshot later, open the Photos app, go to the albums, then tap on Screenshots. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to take a screenshot on any iPad. If this video helped, drop a like as it really helps the channel out, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.